Hello students. So in the last class we are discussing in the chemical bonding unit. So we completed the calculation of the hybridization in anions, cations, in neutral molecules in three methods. So today we are going to discuss a new topic, a very important one for the entrance examination, that is hydrogen bonding. So generally the molecules which contain the hydrogen atom, if it is attached to more electronegative atoms such as fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atoms, so which leads to formation of slightly positive charge on the hydrogen atom, negative charge on the other atoms, so that a weak bond is formed between them. So the bond is generally called as a hydrogen bond. तो मैं एक मॉलिक्यूल ले रहा हूँ, कौन सा भी मॉलिक्यूल होने दो, ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल होने दो, इनऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल होने दो. So if the molecules which contain the carbon atom, they are called as organic molecules. Without carbon, they are called as inorganic molecules. So let us consider a molecule whether it is organic or inorganic. If it contains the hydrogen atom, if it is attached to the more electronegative atoms, that is fluorine, highest electronegative atom, second highest oxygen, third highest nitrogen atom. So if the molecule contains hydrogen along with fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen atom, so which leads to formation of slightly positive charge on the hydrogen and slightly negative charge on the other atoms, that is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, so which leads to formation of a slightly bond, a weak bond is formed. So the bond is generally called as the hydrogen bond. तो मैं एक मॉलिक्यूल ले रहा हूँ HX, ये दोनों के बीच में एक कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड है. So when the hydrogen is attached to more electronegative atom, that is fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen, then the hydrogen gets partial positive charge. The other atom contain partial negative charge. So due to partial positive and partial negative, plus and minus, a weak bond is formed due to the attractions. So the weak bond is generally called as the hydrogen bond. तो एक मॉलिक्यूल में हाइड्रोजन आटम में एक हाईएस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आटम है, तो ऐसा रहे तो हाइड्रोजन के पास पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहता, द अदर आटम कंटेन पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज. So due to attraction between partial positive, partial negative, a weak bond is formed between halogen and hydrogen. So the weak bond is generally called as the hydrogen bond. तो मॉलिक्यूल में हाइड्रोजन रहे तो फ्लोरीन रहे तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड रहता, हाइड्रोजन रहे तो ऑक्सीजन रहे तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड रहता है, हाइड्रोजन रहे तो नाइट्रोजन रहे तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड रहता है. सो ड्यू टू पार्शियल अट्रैक्शंस बिटवीन द नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तो प्लस माइनस के बीच में अट्रैक्शंस रहता, अट्रैक्शंस की वजह से वीक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होता है, वो बॉन्ड को हम हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बोल सकते हैं. सो जनरली एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, the hydrogen atom is bonded to between two high electronegative atoms simultaneously. So where one is a covalent bond, other by a hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bonding रहे तो कभी भी, so whenever there is a hydrogen bond is present, then the hydrogen atom is present in between two high electronegative atoms X X. तो ये दोनों के बीच में हाइड्रोजन है. So whenever we have a hydrogen bond, the hydrogen atom is bonded. The hydrogen atom is bonded between two high electronegative atoms simultaneously. A side में X है, A side में X है. High electronegative atom, high electronegative atom. ये दोनों के बीच में हाइड्रोजन है. So whenever we have hydrogen bonding, then the hydrogen atom is present in between two high electronegative atoms, where one bond is a covalent bond, the other bond is the hydrogen bond. So whenever the hydrogen atom is present between two high electronegative atoms, then they contain one covalent bond, one hydrogen bond. तो यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन आटम है, ये दोनों के बीच में, हाइड्रोजन के बीच में राइट हैंड साइड में हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आटम है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आटम है. ए साइड में कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड है, ए साइड में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है. So therefore, as a result of hydrogen bonding, when the hydrogen atom is bonded between two high electronegative atoms, then they contain one covalent bond, one hydrogen bond is present one. So generally in periodic table only fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atom are showing the hydrogen bonding. तो पीरियाडिक टेबल में 118 एलिमेंट्स में बस 3 ही एलिमेंट्स है. Only 3 elements are showing the hydrogen bonding. One is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atom. The remaining elements does not shows hydrogen bonding. Chlorine नहीं देता है, कार्बन नहीं देता है, ब्रोमीन नहीं देता है, आयोडीन नहीं देता है. So only 3 elements are present in the periodic table, that is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. They are only showing the hydrogen bondings one. Thank you.